This is a video by Richmond. Today we're working on a 1979 Chevrolet K20 pickup. And the problem we're having today is the blower motor is not working properly. So we're going to get in there and figure out what the problem is. Alright, now we're going to turn the key on here. You hear that? Sounded like the blower was on low. Nothing in the intermediate setting. Alright, so we got high. I like to use it in the middle setting. Nothing. Let's see if we can hear it in the low setting. Nothing. I heard it when I first turned it on. Alright, so I got a good idea what it is. We're going to go open up the hood and see what I think it is. Back here on the firewall, we got the blower motor right here, and right here is the blower motor resistor. So I suspect that that is the problem right there. So we're first going to take it off, which just a couple of screws, 9 32nd headed screws. Take a quick look at it, see what we can see. Wow, pretty rusty. Oh, look at that. Here is a close-up of the resistor, and you can see the wire right there has, when it broke away, it must have heated up. Must have been some resistance there. Must have been rusted. Had some resistance. Whoops! Oh, gee. Wow. That thing was brittle. Okay. Can't show you that anymore. We're using a standard pot, RU64. Looks just like the one we took out, except it's a lot newer looking. Alright. Alright, let's go inside and check it out. Alright, moment of truth. Got the fan switch on low. This vehicle has no off on the fan. Just low, medium, high. Never did like that feature. Alright. You might not be able to hear that. It's very faint on low. Let me put you close to the motor. you should be able to pick up just this slight sound. Alright, we're going to put it on medium setting. And high. All right, working the way it should now. Medium setting is where I like to keep it. All right, job well done. So that's all there is to fixing your blower motor resistor in your Chevy K20 pickup.